Alright guys, happy New Year's Eve. I finally had a green day, so let me show you guys what happened. Alright, so in this video I'm watching APM. That is what I traded today. It's the only thing I traded. It's a pretty cheap stock and it also had a decently low float under 10 million shares. As you can see on the chart, it's curling up right now. It breaks 3 and I marked out the previous high of 315. So I knew if it broke above 315, that would be a great entry. Shorts would get stopped out and it could push on to higher highs. In the after hours, this made a pretty big move, and so I wasn't sure if it was going to continue, but it did, and it ended up pushing up to 650. But I only made $200 on this, so that was definitely kind of a disappointment. As you can see there, there's a fake breakout through 3.1. That's why I knew it had to break through the high for there to be strength. Um, To be honest, I didn't really like the volume profile on this stock, but as it comes over 315, the volume starts coming in, and it pretty much goes immediately up, and that's what you like to see. I didn't get stopped out. I had like a 15-cent stop back at 3, and it goes immediately up. And so I said to myself, if it breaks to 3.5, I'm gonna hold it. But I didn't listen to my rules, and it goes quickly up here. It immediately breaks through 3.5, but then it comes back down. And since I had had so many red days, I was so scared to lose my money. And since I was scared to lose my money, I just sold way too early right here, even though it had strength and it was only showing a micro pullback. So it pulls back just for a second there, and then it breaks back through 3.5 and it continues higher. It goes pretty much straight through 3.5 up to 4, and I missed out on about $1,000 profit right there. I was pretty disappointed when I realized that I'd lost out on so much money, especially because my account's at an all-time low and I could have made a lot of it back. But at the end of the day, I guess I have to be grateful with what I have. And since the market's been so hot recently, I know there's going to be future opportunities. So that's why I wasn't scared to sell there, and I really just wanted to lock in my profit before I lost it all. Let's watch it for a second here, just so you could see how cleanly it breaks through 4 and then continues up, immediately up 10 cents. I believe it pulls back a little bit here, and these are the micro pullbacks that beginner traders like me get stopped out on, and that's why I sold early. But as I gain more experience, I'm eventually going to figure out that I should start holding during these micro pullbacks. And so that's what I'm going to try to implement into my strategy. Every day I have a loss, I learn something new. And even though I didn't have a loss today, I still learned something new. That's the most important thing about trading, and I'm very grateful that this opportunity has been given to me. So, I'll see you guys not tomorrow because there's no trading tomorrow since it's New Year's Eve, but I will see you on Thursday if I'm able to because I will be in Mammoth. So